Hello children, I am Vishali madam. So today we are going to begin with our new lesson, Unit 8, Healing Herbs. Now let us read the lesson and understand more. Activity 1 says, a science fair is going to be held in Gandhinagar for the children of your age. So there is an exhibition to be held at Gandhinagar for the children of your age. Asmi would like to participate in it. There is a girl named Asmi and she is interested to take part in it. She decided to take with her a self-prepared herb booklet. So now she's going to prepare a booklet which contains the information about different herbs. Okay. Dhruvi was trying to sharpen a pencil with a blade when she cut her finger and it started bleeding. Oh my god. So it happens, right? At times we also get hurt in the school when you're playing with sharpener. You may get hurt, right? Immediately, her mother brought a pinch of turmeric powder, applied it over the wound, and pressed it hard. So, have you ever observed or experienced such kind of thing? Like when we get hurt, our mom would get some turmeric powder from the kitchen and apply it on the wound. Yes, and the bleeding was controlled. So, the bleeding would stop. Yes, at school also it sometimes happen when you get hurt. Sometimes we just send you to the kitchen for the first aid because the first aid things are always available in the kitchen. You know that? Then moving further, Dhruvi asked her mother why she applied turmeric powder to the wound. Her mother replied, my mother used turmeric powder whenever we were hurt. Later on, I read in magazines that turmeric powder acts as a good antiseptic. Okay. What is an antiseptic, mother? Well, I think an antiseptic is something that heals a wound. So now Dhruvi's mother has observed this, her mother doing it, and then she also practiced. She also got some knowledge from a magazine which told her that turmeric powder is a good antiseptic which would heal the wound. Okay. So now coming to activity 2. Activity 2. Dhruvi meets a doctor. Hello, Dr. Kalyani. How are you? What a pleasant surprise, Lakshmi. We are meeting after a long time. It was nice. Dhruvi has also come with you. So, Lakshmi is Dhruvi's mother. Okay. My mother says turmeric is an antiseptic. Is that so? Was Dhruvi's next question. Now, Dhruvi has met a doctor on her way and then she questions her about whether turmeric is an antiseptic or not. She wants to cross the knowledge that she has gained. Yes, it is. Dr. Kalyani had no hesitation in replying. Means Dr. Kalyani, he was very prompt in replying that yes, turmeric is an antiseptic. Doctor, can you tell me more about the turmeric plant? Which are its other uses? This science deals with the study of medical plants. Dhruvi listed her queries. Nowadays, botany is dealing with the study of few medical plants. There is also an Indian system of medicine. You mean Ayurveda? Dhruvi intervened. So what is the meaning of intervened? Yes, to stop somebody talking, to interrupt somebody who is speaking. But intervene is a positive term and interrupt is not a very positive term. Okay. Yes, Ayurveda means the science of life. Ayurveda deals with the prevention and the cure of diseases. Through Ayurveda, one can learn about the action of different herbs on various diseases. Such study of herbs is a part of our science. How does turmeric act on cold? You know that cold is a viral infection. Turmeric has an antiviral effect. So nowadays when we are dealing with or preventing ourselves from getting infected by this coronavirus, we have been using turmeric, right? Like many times we drink that kadha in which we put this turmeric, right? Indian women apply turmeric on their feet. Is there any reason behind this habit too? So now this you need to find out with your mom. Yes, there is. Most of the women work in water for a long time. This can lead to infection of the feet. Turmeric prevents infection. Hence, women apply it on the feet. Just check it with your mom. Now I understand why some advertisements talk of turmeric in creams. Thank you, doctor. You have given me so much information about the common herbs and why they are used in our daily life. So here the girl thanks the doctor for giving the information. See, here only they have talked about turmeric, but there are many other herbs that we keep on using daily, right? Starting from, yes, from tulsi, pudina, then jeera, ajwain. There are many different things that we have been using. So now today itself we'll talk to your mom and make a list of natural herbs that are available in our kitchen. Okay. Children, carefully look at the pink box. It has the keywords, the words with the meanings. This you will copy it in your notebook, okay, and you're going to learn them. Now coming to the next page, activity 3 says, say whether the following statements are true or false. A science fair will be held in Ahmedabad. So as we read the lesson, we know that it is at Gandhinagar. So this is false. Dhruvi's mother applied sugar to her wound. No, she applied turmeric. So this is also false. Turmeric is an antiseptic. Yes, this is true. Dhruvi is a curious student. Yes, absolutely, because she also questioned the doctor, right? Dhruvi wants to buy a booklet about herbs. No, she's going to prepare a booklet, right? So this is also false. Number 6 is Ayurveda is science of life. Yes, it is true. Ayurveda is a science of life. Then coming to activity 4, a breathing exercise. So see how the breathing exercise is demonstrated with pictures also. Then what it says about is, close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly through your left nostril till your lungs are filled with air. Now, close your left nostril with your second and third fingers. Remove your finger from the right nostrils and exhale through it. Then repeat this exercise slowly in the beginning, and with practice increase your speed. Okay, it is speech is written, but make a correction, it is speed. Okay. So this is the pranayam known as Analom Vilom Pranayam. Okay. So this way you will be practicing every day and it's going to improve your health also. Then coming to the next activity 5 says, this is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. Write a sentence about each member of Raju's family. So there are different pictures given on 62 and 63 page number about a family of Raju, and everybody is doing some other activity. So you are just going to look at the picture and write one sentence on each of them. Then coming to activity 6. Herbs are good to eat. It is easy to grow herbs. Here is a great way to start. So here there is an activity which tells us and which guides us about growing herbs on our own. Plant a herb in a paper cup. You can plant different herbs in a window garden. Herb that is easy to grow from seed to basil. Sprinkle the seed on the top of the soil and lightly sprinkle the soil on the top. Only about 1/4 of inch. Then keep it in the water and place it in a sunny window. Bring it to the school and now show it to your friends. So this is a small activity. You are going to grow the herbs at your own place, but you will not be able to bring it to school. Okay, so you can use it for your kitchen purpose, right? Activity 7 says, collect 4 or 5 types of leaves and paste them on a chart paper. Write the name of the plant and display it on the bulletin board. This you will be doing it in your notebook. You are going to collect 4 or 5 different leaves of the plants, and then you are going to write the names. Activity 8 says, collect the wrappers of different herbal products used as a beauty cream, tablets or syrup. Then paste it on a chart paper with their names and display them. This you cannot paste it on a chart paper because I will not be able to see it. So what can be done is you will click the picture and then you are going to paste the picture of the toothpaste or the antiseptic cream or any medicine or any syrup, and then you are going to write about it. At least mention the name and how it is used. Then activity 9 says, observe the pictures drawn here. They are drawn using the thumbprints. So what other things can be drawn using the thumb? So this is a thumbprint activity. Okay, this you can do it in your rough notebook. Activity 10 says, your school wants you to join a gardening club, planting seeds and watching them grow. Plant a variety of the herbs from onions, garlic and sweet scented mint and basil. Observe the growth of the herbs and write 3 sentences on them. So all these plants you can always plant at your home and see them grow and use them. Okay, so we are done with the lesson. I'm sure you must have understood the lesson. Thank you, children. Happy learning.